Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. This is a soul connection love reading. It's not gender specific and it's timeless. So please take it as it resonates. I'm doing your person and your energy both in regards to this connection. So let's see what's going on for you, Cancer. Feminine energy on this side, masculine on this side. I'm going to go with, this is Cancer, that's how I do the energies, but swap it in a way that it works for you in your connection. All right. Currently, you are coming through with a 10 of Cups, all about long-term commitment, happily ever after, with a deep soul connection here. Really wanting that beautiful family, the home, the dog, the spiritual connection, just all about love, deeply in your emotions here, Cancer. And then you also had the Two of Cups, all right. Same thing, two people sharing their cup of love, really coming together, very purely coming together. This is that love that absolutely just devours you. And you know what? Being together for the long haul, you know. And with the 10 of Cups and 2 of Cups here together, this is a deep love, a deep soul connection, and a love that you not escape. All right. And you're really feeling the love for this person. You really want this happily ever after. You really want this union. This could be a twin flame connection here. And feeling ready to have that equal give and take in this situation with your person. Feeling ready to make a long-term commitment and really give your heart to this person. But you also making a decision here, or you have made a decision with a number 2 when it comes to this person. All right. And I've picked some messages from my personal deck. It's still in written form, it's just messages. So let's see what it is that you want to say to this person. All right. Do it right or go away. All right. So yes, Cancer, you are really ready to have this beautiful love with this person, but you want it in the right way. You want this person to come to you in the right way, give you the right things, do things right, or rather leave. And that is the decision you made. You put up that boundary. Come to me in the right way, do things right, or leave. All right, and this must have been hard for you to make that decision because there's a lot of love here. There's a lot of love. All right, and then another message that you want to tell them is, I don't want to fight with you. You just want to love this person. You do not want to fight with them. All right. But you are at that point of not going to accept anything from them if they do not come to you in the right way. So I don't know what happened in the past year. I'm obviously not digging that much into the energies here, but this person has done you wrong. And even though you truly feel that deep connection with them, you cannot escape this type of a connection. All right. And you love this person heart and soul, but you want them to give you what you deserve here. You want that equal give and take. You want them to come to you in the right way, or just leave. That is just what it is. All right, and let's see what's going on with this person and where they are in regards to this connection. They've got the 7 of Wands here. Dealing with a lot of things here, maybe a lot of people involved, causing conflict, trying to fight things off, but they are trying to stay centered and calm. I feel like they are praying and meditating, trying to find their personal power. They might be a little bit defensive at this stage, but mostly I feel that they are kind of trying to find peace in the middle of chaos here. So they are dealing with a lot of stuff. Yes, in regards to you as well, they're trying to get themselves centered and balanced here when it comes to this connection with you, but they're also dealing with a lot of other stuff here. And I truly feel like this person is just praying They're praying and they're meditating and they're trying to listen to their intuition as well, all right? Trying to step into their power, stand up for themselves. But this is not in regards to you. There's something else going on around them where they have to find their power, where they have to stand their ground, where they have to constantly defend themselves as well. And that might lead to a little bit of defensiveness when it comes to you as well. But that is out of habit, or just they've grown so used to doing that they're kind of struggling to open up towards you here. That is the energy that I'm picking up. But they are working they're working on that. So they are on top of things. They are on top of things, but it's not easy for them. All right, whatever they're dealing with is not easy for them. And yes, you see, when it comes to you, they've got the strength in reversed. This is not feeling strong. This is they're trying to find the strength. They're trying to find the courage. They're struggling to control their temptation here. Their animal side here is that primal energy here. They've got a deep desire for you that they're struggling to control. They feel like this person is angry. Feel like this person is very angry as well. And they're not being gentle and caring to someone else or something else. They're angry. And it's because of whatever they are fighting on that is preventing them from with you. That is what I feel. There might be just too many people involved, yeah, getting involved in this person's business. And I feel like they're angry. They're not angry at you, all right? They're not angry at you, all right? They're angry of everything they have to do with and preventing them from being with you. Okay, let's see what are the messages that they want to give you. What if they got to say? They say, I couldn't give you what you deserved. So whatever happened in the past, yeah, they feel they couldn't give you what you deserved and probably ghosted you or something, hurt you. And it was because they felt they couldn't give you what you deserved, okay? And then they're also saying, I want to come back. I want to come back. Right, this person really wants to return to you. They didn't feel they could give you what you deserved in the past. I feel like they might be able to now. All right, and they're trying to find the courage and the strength to come forward here and ask you if they can come back. All right. Yeah, okay, that's all from me. I'm going to leave it there, Cancer. If you want me to take a deeper look into your personal situation, please contact me. You can use my WhatsApp or my email or inbox me on any one of my platforms on my Facebook and TikTok. You can follow me there as well. I do have a special on at the moment for $25 for 45-minute private reading with me. And obviously I do healing as well. But you need to get hold of me. I'm not putting this special down in the description box. Yes, and sending you so much love and light. And please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. And I will see you in the next video. Cancer.